So even then I told him, यार मैं थोड़ा यार मैं कहाँ लवर लगता हूँ, मैं तो बाजीगर हूँ, मैं डर हूँ. So he said नहीं यार ये मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ पैसा.
I don't understand anything else. I mean, you can certify a film and then you can choose, and people can choose as consenting adults.
I'm from theatre. I've done stuff on stage which perhaps in Hindi films they still have to do.
जी.
I've spoken language on stage. I'm from street theatre.
When Sejal meets Virat Kohli, for example, what will happen if Sejal meets Virat Kohli?
She would take a selfie since she's taking selfie with everybody.
जब Harry met Sejal, it's trending wonderfully because people love to see Shah Rukh Khan in this avatar in terms of romantic songs and the romantic language that you just speak and that too written by Imtiaz himself. Do you think that it's making a difference and that is something that is your strength, the biggest strength as a romantic hero?
I think I'm least strong as a romantic hero. Yeah. I find myself better in roles like Rais or Fan or Chak De, where I don't know how to describe it because I'm not someone who ever thought I could be a lover. Even when I joined films, very clearly one of the things I told my friend Vivek Vaswani, who was taking me around and getting me to do films, is I don't want to do love stories because I don't think I can do love stories.
Right.
I thought I don't look like a lover. I don't think I can say lines like a lover. And initially when I worked with all the great directors also, even Yashji cast me in Dar as a bad guy, So later on he said, yaar, ye mere bete ne kahani likhi hai. And I don't know if people remember it, even Adi had not written a love story when he cast me in his film.
Okay.
वो कोई और फिल्म बना रहा था, कुछ एक्शन की फिल्म बना रहा था मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
Then one night he came and he said, मैंने चेंज कर दिया आइडिया यार. Right. वो बनाते दिल में एक लव स्टोरी आई है, तो मुझे तेरे साथ बनानी है. So even then I told him, यार मैं थोड़ा यार मैं कहाँ लवर लगता हूँ, मैं तो बाजीगर हूँ, मैं डर हूँ. So he said नहीं यार ये मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ तेरे साथ. It was just their conviction.
Right.
And then Karan's and then YesG's to make love stories with me, and now Imtiaz's. I don't know how to be a lover. The only thing I can say is I think there's a part of me which is like a woman.
When you're just going back in a way, does it bother you?
Look, I feel that there should be no censorship in general. It should be certification.
That's what Shabana ji has said yesterday.
Because I guess I don't understand anything else. I mean, you can certify a film and then you can choose, and people can choose as consenting adults that they want to or they don't want to watch a film. You cannot define for people. Especially what really bothers me is like within an adult certificate also you cannot show certain things. And I don't know. I mean, I definitely find that strange. But the thing is that ultimately, like we've all been speaking about it and we all have been talking about it for so long. I think till we do not, to just kind of put a blanket opinion on this, till we do not just certify movies, till we don't come to a decision that we are just going to certify films, and we can have various more certifications than there are at the moment. You can have, like, lack of a better example, A+. I mean, what I'm just saying, if you're giving adult, like super adult, whatever, man. But then you cannot, it cannot be censorship, and I think that's really important, and that freedom I think has to be there with us to be able to watch or make the films that we want to.
मैं बहुत सालों से काम कर रहा हूँ और आई थिंक बहुत सारी जो औरतें हैं फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड और whatever teenage or even older mothers who've become grandmothers now, childhood girls who are now like maybe having their first or second baby, teenagers who are settled and now their children are studied and they're looking for jobs now. I think all of them have seen me and I think they recognize the sensitivity that I have when I'm essaying these roles. And मेरी जो how do you say upbringing है is completely done by women. Whether it was my mother, then my sister, then my wife, then now my daughter. I have, and of course all the ladies that I work with. I think I have been brought up by women. And this is the only reasoning I can explain that people attach myself to them so fast, especially women.
Correct.
They know there is decency, there's dignity, and it's all right to feel sad with Shah Rukh. And it's all right to feel happy with Shah Rukh. As a matter of fact, I believe that 90% women also feel it's all right to be naughty with Shah Rukh. It's all right. Because I will not, I think, जैसे नहीं होता मैं जगत मामा होते हैं, जगत चाचा होते हैं, मैं आई थिंक जगत लवर हूँ कि यार ये सही है, ये डिसेंट है, अच्छा है, प्यारा है, इसके साथ कुछ भी कर लो, किसी को मैं हार्मलेस हूँ. I think I'm a harmless man.
When Sejal meets Shah Rukh Khan, what will happen? Not the character in the film, but Shah Rukh Khan, the
Oh,
superstar.
she would be like amazed and just like shocked and take photo to show all her cousins. She'll take selfie.
Selfie. Okay. When Sejal meets Ranbir Kapoor.
She'll take selfie, of course. She'll be starstruck, and she'll probably tell him something like, you know, my cousin brother also looks like you, or some random stuff like that to make like kind of try to make some connect with him.
Okay. When Sejal meets Anushka Sharma, what will happen?
I don't know. She'll take a selfie, and then she'll tell us, "See, I look so much like you."
Okay, and when Sejal meets Virat Kohli, for example, what will happen if Sejal meets Virat Kohli?
She would take a selfie since she's taking selfie with everybody.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Hi Shah Rukh sir, you have worked with so many directors, but who is your favorite one?
यार फेवरेट तो वही होता है जिसके साथ पिक्चर रिलीज पे जब मैं ऐसे इंटरव्यू कर रहा होता हूँ तो इम्तियाज होता है. That's the easiest way to
So you,
see. No, I've worked with
that's
some
an
wonderful people.
easy
No.
question because you said
Yeah, I've
the
worked with
film as
some
well.
really great people.
Right.
You know, so to choose a favorite would be different reasons. Like Karan's very close to me personally. He's like a younger brother. Adi is one of the finest friends I have. I can call him just now and in times of trouble or happiness. Yasji, of course, just by the fact that he's just a fine friend and a lovely man. Aziz Mirza, I started. So there's so many of them. Mani Ratnam sir.
Mani
you know.
Ratnam,
So there's so many. Actually, I can keep on. Some people I've just worked once. Rajiv Mehra is really sweet to me. So there are lots of directors. So I don't want to Abbas Mastan. So I don't want to just like choose one name. Not because I don't want to be choosing one, but because I have special bonds for different reasons with different people. But safest is to say the one that you're working with. Imtiaz Ali is also in those bonds only, but right now he's the favorite.
Okay.
Farah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like a sister. There's so many actually.
Yeah.
In 25 years that I worked, not that I have sat on it decidedly, but naturally there is an inherent innocence to the films that I do. I don't get attracted to cinema, which in any which way can be disturbing to me, let alone to anyone else.
Right.
I'm from theatre. I've done stuff on stage which perhaps in Hindi films they still have to do.
Ji.
I've spoken language on stage. I'm from street theatre. I've seen the whole gamut of things that happen all around in terms of performances. I've done all kinds of scenes on stage. And but when I came into films, somewhere I realized the importance of films. I'd like to believe I'm someone that you can openly go and watch a film of and not get... when I was releasing Rais, I don't know whether it was the youngsters, whether it was the oldsters, I don't know which stars they were. But people are, how is he glorifying a bad guy? Come on, it's a film. It's a story of a film. If I showed you Sholay from the point of view of Gabbar Singh, it will have some different outlook to it.
Correct.
But you would still like it, hopefully. So I make films from the heart. I know the expanse of this film. So when they tell me we'd like to give a UA or A to Rais, I understand. There's blood, there's fighting. I'll never fight for it with the censorship. I've never fought with the censorship. Having said that, I'd still like to believe within the trailers, when a word like intercourse comes, or sex comes, or any other word comes, maybe out of context of the film, it can seem a little, if the word is right, I don't know, it seems a little harmful or treacherous.
Okay.
But I think when it will be seen in the context of the film, I don't think any of this issue would arise. Right. It's unfortunate. I think it's unfortunate that the youngsters felt like this or the censor board felt like this. Both of them is unfortunate. I think it's a very normal thing. Being a filmmaker, me and Imtiaz did not participate in that conversation at all because our film is completely not related to that.
Absolutely.
It's a different thing. So, am I proud of the youngsters of this country because they took up cudgels for a word? No, right. I'm just proud of youngsters of this country, whatever they do, not just for this. India has, I think, the best youngsters in the world. We are the youngest, we are the most beautiful, and we have a fantastic voice, and we have a great culture. So I'm very proud of the youngsters. My kids are young. That's why I can talk with such authority. I'm not being patronizing that I know all youngsters. But when I see them, I hear them, I chat with them, they have a different world. Yeah, me and my wife also sometimes get stumped. ये सब मालूम है इनको ऐसी बात करते हैं. But then you say there is an amazing amount of innocence and education attached to the youngsters in this country, which is even more into play because of internet and social networking and media. So it's brilliant that you have open-minded people,
Right.
as long as culturally and dignity-wise we are still steeped and rooted.
When will we see you doing a film with Rajkumar Hirani? You almost did a film with him.
Yeah, we've always discussed all the films that he's done without me. We've discussed together at one time or the other. Yeah, whenever he wants to do a film with me, inshallah. He's a very close friend. I have a lot of love and respect. We both have. We do ads and all together very often, and we spend some evenings together. We've always maintained that we could not do Munna Bhai, which is good because we would have not been able to do it better than Sanju. But having said that, yeah, I think it's high time we did a film together.
Even
So
3
whenever
Idiots, I
he's
believe
done-
you guys would.
Yeah, there was a time we were supposed to do it,
Right.
but it didn't turn out like that. But yeah, one day or the other we'll do a film together.
This is Veer. How do you manage to be so nice and good all the time? Do you ever lose your temper? You mentioned that, I think, in the beginning, that if you're pushed...
No, I don't lose my temper actually. Matlab, when I lose it, then it's national news, so you'll know. But I normally don't lose my temper. I have a genuinely a very pleasant way of being, demeanor.
Okay.
I don't lose my temper normally. Even if I lose it, I hide it very well.